This video will walk you through the charting theme from beginning to end. Directions. For each big piece of the story, answer the prompt based on the info from your key passages and theme organizer. Make sure to cite paragraph numbers for proof. Complete one full chart for each major theme you've identified in the text. There's a spot for theme being tracked, where I have put good versus evil. So whichever theme you decided to use, that would go there. Name of the text, Cinderella. If you're reading Rumpelstiltskin, that's where you would put the title. Exposition, setting the conflict. This is the setup of the major conflict in the story. How is the theme introduced? I've already filled out the answers to these for the theme good versus evil. So I have the theme is introduced when the stepmother and stepsisters are mean to Cinderella. It shows who is good and who is evil. How is the theme developed is the rising action. It's the things that are building to the conflict. They make Cinderella do all of the housework and they won't let her go to the ball. So that sets us up for the major climax of the story, the major point in the story. The next step is the climax. So how does this theme of good versus evil impact the climax? Cinderella goes against them and goes to the ball. That's the major climax in the story. So if you wanted to put in here how good versus evil affects this, you could put good rises up, good, which is Cinderella, rises up and goes against evil, which is the stepmother and stepsisters. So she says, I don't care what you say, I'm going to the ball. That's good triumphing over evil in the climax. Falling action is how everything is starting to get put back together after the climax. And how is the theme seen through the final decisions of the characters? The prince chooses Cinderella, good, after being tricked by the stepsisters, who are evil. And then finally the resolution is how everything moves on after the major climax. So what major conclusion is made about the theme? Cinderella and the prince live happily ever after. That's the resolution. So it kind of shows that good overcomes evil. That is how you use this type of flowchart. You will probably only use one page for the story that you choose.